You think you are too small to make a difference? Try sleeping with a mosquito. The planet does not need more successful people.
The planet desperately needs more placemakers, healers, restorers, storytellers and lovers of all kinds.
When you talk, you are only repeating something you already know, but if you listen, you may learn something new. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. When you think everything is someone else's fault, you will suffer a lot. When you talk, you are only repeating something you already know, but if you listen, you may learn something new. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others. Ove and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other. If someone does not smile at you, be generous and offer your own smile. Nobody needs a smile more than the one that cannot smile to others. A heart full of love and compassion is the main source of inner strength, willpower, happiness, and mental tranquility. Pain can change you, but that doesn't. When you realize that everything springs only from yourself, you will learn both peace and joy. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck. It has to be a bad change. Take that pain and turn it into wisdom. A sense of concern for others gives our lives meaning. It is the root of all human happiness. Never give up. No matter what is happening, no matter what is going on around you, never give up. A positive state of mind is not merely good for you, it benefits everyone with whom you come into contact, literally changing the world. The period of greatest gain in knowledge and experience is the most difficult period in one's life. Women have the capacity to lead us to a more peaceful world with compassion, affection, and kindness. Love and compassion benefit both ourselves and others. Through kindness to others, your heart and mind will be peaceful and open. When you think everything is someone else's fault, you will suffer a lot. Anger, hatred, and jealousy never solve problems. Only affection, concern, and respect can do that. The greater the level of calmness of our mind, the greater our peace of mind, the greater our ability to enjoy a happy and joyful life.